Can you hide repost on TikTok? So let's get started. First of all, let's simply open the TikTok app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. So now, once inside the TikTok app, let's just try reposting a video. So here I have a video on my FY page. Now let's tap on the share icon and repost this video. Now once reposted, let's go to the profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the repost icon and here you will find all your repost. So the question is, can you hide? Then no, you cannot hide your repost, but you can definitely manage some by just simply making your account private. If you make your account private, then nobody will be able to view your repost except for your followers. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.